In this video, we'll be creating quick sheet plots of the plan, section, and perspective views. Quick sheet plots are really quick to set up and are used to just plot exactly what you see in a view. We'll look at setting up a plan view quick sheet plot first. So I'll add the model Tin Super to the design plan view so that I have the models align, cross sections RS1, design RS1, all of survey boundary tin, road, sewer, and UT water, and also tin super on in the view. I'll then toggle the contours on in the plan design view. So select the toggle icon and select tin contours. Then pick the plot icon on the design plan view toolbar and select quick sheet plot. The design view will be filled out and the plotter type by default will be model. This means the plot will be plotted to a model in the project, which we'll use to preview the plot before we then plot to PDF. The model we're plotting to is assigned in the plot file field, so I'll type in plot sheet plan. Then change clean models before to clean all elements. So that if we do plot again, we'll delete any data that already exists in this plot model. The scale I'll change to 1:3000. The sheet size can be A3. And the origin I'll make X of 42,100 and Y of 36,800. And you can see the plot covers the entire project site. As part of this plot, there is also a very basic title block being generated, and we can change some of the text parameters at the bottom of this panel here. So I'll add a title line 1 and 2 of stage 1 and road design. And then select plot. I'll then create a new plan view called plot. And create. Fix this to the left-hand side of the screen. And add the model plot sheet plan to this view. And you can see there we have a plan plot generated which has exactly what was shown in the design plan view in it. To then plot this to PDF, we can change the plotter type to 12D and then select PDF_12D. Then again plot. That'll take a couple of seconds, but it will launch our PDF viewer with that plot shown. I'll close that. We can also generate these quick sheet plots for section views and perspective views as well. So I'll use the LS section view, which is here on the bottom right. Again, select the plot icon on the section view toolbar and plot. Plot file, I'll make plot sheet sections. I'll select clean all elements. I'll use a scale of 1:2000. Then press enter. That'll fill out the sheet width and sheet height based on that scale. The vertical exaggeration will be the same as the LS section view. Then again, I'll add the stage 1 and road design to the title lines 1 and 2. Then plot. After that's plotted, I'll remove the current plot from the plot plan view and add on plot sheet sections. And there you have the section view plot, which can go out to PDF if you want in the same way as the plan view. Then lastly, for the perspective view, I'll bring up the 3D view I'll fix that to the right of the screen rather than just the top right. I'll set the view up so that it's a nice view of the road. And again, select the plot icon and plot. Plot file this time, I'll make plot sheet perspective. And clean all elements. The sheet width and height will be taken from the view size, so they're already filled out. And again, type in stage 1 and road design for the title block. And plot. I'll remove the section view plot from the plot plan view and add plot sheet perspective. And you can see the perspective plot there. For the perspective plot, you can see that the raster and the tin render settings aren't recognized in the plot, so it's a little bit simpler than what's shown in our perspective view, but it still shows the view. And of course, again, you can plot this to PDF if required. So that's quick sheet plotting.